Hello friends, welcome to Mahesh Maths classes. We make it easy, you learn it quickly. Coordinate Geometry Part 4. Before watching this video, make sure that you have watched Part 1, 2 and 3. In this video, we are going to learn about points of trisection and also centroid of a triangle. So, what are points of trisection? You know of bisection. Bisection means the point which divides a given line segment into two equal parts. Bisection means two equal parts. So, trisection means three equal parts. Tri means three. Section means division. So, three equal parts, three divisions. So, the trisection points means the points which exactly divides the line segment into three equal parts. So, suppose you take a line segment PQ and these are the points AB. AB is A, these 2 points A and B are dividing PQ into three equal parts. That is PA is equal to AB is equal to BQ. So, PA is equal to AB is equal to BQ, three equal parts. So, A and B are called the points of trisection or trisectional points. Now, if A, here one part, left side of A one part and the right side of A you have two parts. So, A divides in the ratio of 1:2. And what about B? So, B divides, the left side of B you have two parts and right side you have one part. So, B divides in the ratio of 2:1. Therefore, the points of trisection divide the line segment in the ratio of 1:2 or 2:1. 1:2 or 2:1. Now, we'll see some problems based on these points of trisection. So, find the points of trisection of the line segment joining the points A2, -2 and B -7, 4. So, let us take 2 points. The first point is A2, -2 and the other point is B -7, 4. So, now we have to find 2 points of trisection, that is P and Q. We have to find P and Q. So, now let P divides AB in the ratio of 1:2. Okay, one point will divide AB in the ratio of 1:2, the other will divide in the ratio of 2:1. Either it can be P or Q, whatever it is. So now, by using section formula, so this is x1, y1 and this is x2, y2. And what is M1:M2 in this case? It is 1:2. So therefore, P is equal to, let us write the formula again, M1x2 plus M2x1 by M1 plus M2, comma, M1y2 plus M2y1 by M1 plus M2. Let us substitute the value of x1, y1, x2, y2 and M1, M2. So M1 is 1 into x2. x2 is -7 plus M2 is 2. x1 is 2 by M1 plus M2, 1 plus 2, comma, M1 is 1, y2 is 4 plus M2 is 2 and y1 is also 4. Sorry, y1 is -2. y1 is -2 by M1 plus M2, 1 plus 2. So that is equal to 1 into -7, -7 plus 2 2s are 4 by 3, comma, 1 4s are 4 plus 2 into -2, -4 by 3. So that is equal to -7 plus 4, -3 by 3. 4 minus 4 is 0 by 3. Therefore, -3 by 3 is -1, 0 by 3 is 0. Therefore, P is equal to -1, 0. Now, we have to find Q also. So, let Q divides AB in the ratio of 2:1, 2:1 ratio. So, here M1 is 2, M2 is 1. So, again the same formula, M1x2 plus M2x1. x1, x2 values does not change. So, only M1, M2 values will change. So, M1 is 2 into x2. x2 is -7 plus M2. M2 is here how much? It is 1 into y1, that is minus 2. Sorry, x1 we have to take, that is 2 by m1 plus m2, 2 plus 1, and m2, m1 y2. What is m1 here? m1 is 2, y2 is 4. 2 into 4 plus m2 y1. m2 is 1 into y1 is minus 2 by m1 plus m2, 2 plus 1. So that is equal to 2 into minus 7 minus 14 plus 1 into 2 is 2 by 3, comma 2 4s are 8, plus into minus minus 1 into 2 is 2 by 3. So that is equal to minus 14 plus 12, minus 12 by 3, and 8 minus 2, 6 by 3. So that is equal to minus 4 comma 2. Q is minus 4 comma 2. 3 1s are 3 4s are 3 1s are 3 2s. So these are the points P and Q are the points of trisection. P minus 1 comma 0 and Q minus 4 comma 2 are the points of trisection of the line segment joining the points A2 comma minus 2 and B minus 7 comma 4. Okay. Now we learn about centroid of a triangle. Before knowing what is centroid, let us know about median. What is a median? Suppose you take a triangle. This is a triangle ABC, let us say. Now this is the midpoint of one side BC. So the line segment joining a midpoint of one side to its opposite vertex is called a median. So this is, if I say it is AD is the median of the triangle. So in a triangle, the line segment that joins a vertex and the midpoint of the opposite side is called a median. So if you take here, this LMN is a triangle, this O is the midpoint here, LO is the median from L to the midpoint of NM. And you can observe three medians in a triangle. So suppose this is LO, let us say this is P and this is Q. So LO and one more is NP and QM or MQ are the three medians. So in a triangle, three medians are possible. Okay. So now let us take a triangle once again. Let us take the median. Let us say this is BD. Let us say one more triangle. This is AE and one more median, that is CF. So AE, BD, CF are the three medians of a triangle. And if you observe, the three medians are passing through the single point. They are meeting at a single point. So that point, the point of concurrence of medians is called median and it is denoted by G. So the medians of a triangle meet at a point which is called as a centroid. Okay, so the point of concurrence of the medians of a triangle is called centroid of the triangle. So how to find this centroid? How to find this centroid we'll know now. Okay, and one more important thing is this centroid. So this centroid G is also dividing this medians, right? So in what ratio it will divide? So that G divides, the centroid divides the medians in the ratio of 2:1. In the ratio of 2:1 from the vertex. So this is the vertex. So this is 2:1. And here in BD, what is the vertex? B is the vertex. So 2:1. And in CF, what is the vertex? C is the vertex. So 2:1. So from the vertex, the centroid divides the medians in the ratio of 2:1. This is very, very important point. So by using this, we will find the centroid of a triangle. Okay, let us see. Centroid of a triangle. Now, let us take a triangle whose vertices are A x1 y1, B x2 y2, C x3 y3. And I am considering D as the midpoint of BC. D is the midpoint of BC. So what can be the D value here? So midpoint formula you know. So that is x2 plus x3 by 2 comma y2 plus y3 by 2. Now if you observe, let us take only AD value here. I am taking the median AD. I am taking only AD. So you know what is AD? This is x1 comma y1. And what is D? X2 plus X3 by 2, comma Y2 plus Y3 by 2. We know that G divides the median in the ratio of 2:1 from the vertex. So this is 2, this is 1. Now G is dividing AD in the ratio of 2:1 internally. So by using section formula, can't you find this value of G? Yes, we have to find by using section formula. We can find it, right? So now how to find it? So G is equal to, we know the formula. What is M1 is to M2 here? M1 is to M2 is 2:1. So this is X1, Y1 and this is X2 and this is Y2. Let us substitute in the formula. M1x2 plus M2x1 by M1 plus M2, comma M1y2 plus M2y1 by M1 plus M2. That is equal to M1, we know it is 2 into X2. What is X2 in place of X2? You can write X2 plus X3 by 2 plus M2x1. M2 is 1 into x1. What is x1? Is x1 only by M1 plus M2. Similarly, here also M1 is 2 into Y2. What is Y2 in place of Y2? You can write it as Y2 plus Y3 by 2 plus, here in place of M1, M2, I can write it as 1 plus 2 or 2 plus 1. M2 is 1 into Y1 by 1 plus 2 or 2 plus 1. Both are same. So this 2 gets cancelled. This 2 gets cancelled. What is remaining now? X2 plus X3 plus X1. So can I write it in order? X1 plus X2 plus X3 by 2, and here also Y1 plus Y2 plus Y3 by 3. So this is the centroid of a triangle whose vertices are x1, y1, x2, y2 and x3, y3. Okay. Let us do some problems on this. Find the centroid of the triangle whose vertices are 3, minus 5, minus 7, 4 and 10, minus 2 respectively. So let us consider this is A, 3, minus 5. Let us assume that as x1, y1. And next B, minus 7, 4. Let us call it as x2, y2. And C, 10, minus 2. That is x3, y3. So what is the centroid formula? x1 plus x2 plus x3 by 3, y1 plus y2 plus y3 by 3. So that is equal to x1 is 3, x2 is minus 7, plus x3 is 10 by 3, y1 is minus 5 plus y2 is 4 plus y3 is minus 2 by 3. So that is equal to 3 minus 7 minus 4 plus 10, that is 6 by 3, minus 5 plus 4 minus 1, minus 1 minus 2 is minus 3 by 3. So if you simplify this, 3 2s are 3 1s are. So 2 minus 1 is the centroid of the triangle whose vertices are 3 minus 5, minus 7 4, 10 minus 2. Okay. Next, y3, minus 2 are the vertices of a triangle. If the centroid of a triangle is origin, then find x, y. So they have given 3 points which are the vertices of a triangle, and they have given that centroid is equal to origin. Origin means 0, 0. So they have given that centroid is 0, 0. That is the origin. So we have to find these missing values x, y. So what is the centroid formula? Let us assume these values as x1, y1, x2, y2 and x3, y3. So what is the centroid formula here? x1 plus x2 plus x3 by 3, y1 plus y2 plus y3 by 3 is equal to 0, 0. Let us substitute the values of x1, x2, x3. x1 is 2 plus x2 is x plus x3 is 3 by 3, y1 is 3, y2 is y, y3 is minus 2 by 3 is equal to 0 comma 0. Let us simplify 2 plus 3, 5 plus x by 3 comma 3 minus 2, 1. So y plus 1 by 3 is equal to 0 comma 0. These 2 points are equal to each other so that we can compare the corresponding coordinates. X coordinate is equal to x coordinate, y coordinate is equal to y coordinate. So what do we get? 5 plus x by 3 is equal to 0. Y plus 1 by 3 is also equal to 0. So now if you transpose 3 to the other side, you will get 5 plus x is 0 and x is equal to minus 5. And here y plus 1 is equal to 0, y is equal to minus 1. Therefore, what is the value of x comma y? That is minus 5 comma minus 1. This is the missing values of x and y. Okay, so if you like the video, don't forget to share, subscribe my channel. Okay, thank you for watching.